How to take a full page scrolling screenshot in Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and go to the web page you want to capture. Once the page has fully loaded, right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. Next, click the Toggle Device toolbar icon at the top of the Developer Tools panel. It looks like a phone and tablet. Now, click the three-dot menu in the Developer Tools toolbar and select Capture Full-Size Screenshot. Your browser will automatically capture the entire web page, including the content that isn't visible on your screen. Once the capture is complete, the screenshot will be downloaded automatically as a PNG file. Open the downloaded image to view it. You can zoom in to see every part of the page in high quality. This method works on almost any website, so you can repeat the same steps whenever you need to capture a full-page screenshot. And that's it! You've successfully taken a scrolling screenshot of an entire web page in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials.